10:30.
Next zone. Ladies. Ladies.
Ready?
Are we ready? Sort of like the Bob the Builder thing, isn't it? Yes, we can. You ready? Woo! Come on, where's my pink? I paid for pink, I want pink. Woo!
I love you, Baba! Where's that going?
You're right here.
Yes, that's what I like.
What's a pink? Lots of pink.
I think I just ate some of it.